Hi, welcome to Easy Living. I'm Aaliyah.
And I'm Matthew, and we make cocktail tutorials and bar reviews. And we also do the occasional Love After Lockup reaction on Fridays. So throw us a subscribe, and if you're interested, follow us on Instagram.
And today we're super excited, not just because it's the holidays, I love the holidays, but also because we are showing you how to make our holiday sangria. It's so delicious, so juicy. So let's just get right into it. All right, so we are going to start with half an ounce of agave for some sweetness. Follow that with half an ounce of cranberry juice. Then we have the star of the show, our clove infused wine. It's really simple to make. Drop a few sprigs of clove into your wine bottle. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. The longer you keep it in there, the more of that clove spice it's gonna have, so that's up to you. And finish off with 1.5 ounces of tequila reposado.
You're gonna shake and spill.
And we're gonna strain into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. Just juicy. So delicious. And then we are going to garnish with a stick of cinnamon. And that's it. The holiday sangria.
There you go. Here it is.
Cheers.
Cheers, holiday sangria. Not gonna lie, I was scared when she first said she was making something with clove. I'm not really a big fan of clove, but I think the flavors blend well together. I'm also not really a huge fan of cranberry juice like that, but the bitterness isn't there. I think the tequila is really great too.
I use clove because around the holidays, my mom always uses clove for like everything. So to me, that's what the holidays are. But I just can't stop drinking it. Honestly, it's very juicy. It's very decadent. I also feel like it's kind of light. Like I can't necessarily taste the alcohol. Maybe that says something about me. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think it's delicious.
No, it's really good. And we have a third one because we messed up our video the first time. So we're gonna get right to it after this.
All right, so we hope you have a very safe and happy holiday season. And we will see you guys for our next video. We got some more holiday cocktails coming, so stay tuned. Bye, y'all.
Cheers, bye.